everybody, welcome back to our channel. So this time we are going to Coral Beach here in Pangkor Island. Everybody, welcome back to our channel. So this time we are going to Coral Beach here in Pangkor Island. So we thought there is no monkey here, but look, they are there. See? Coral Beach. So we are doing this to show you which way are we going. Okay? We are showing you the way to Coral Beach. They are fishing. So let's go. So now we are here in many trees, but that's the beach. That's another beach. We will show you later. We will do a walking tour. Come here. Okay. Okay. So you just have to go through this these trees and beside the water. Oh, someone's there. Ah, they go here. They go here in this way. They are fishing there. I saw it. I saw someone fishing. Look! Someone's fishing. Where's coral? Oh my gosh! Here! Here! Shh. Everyone, so we are already here in Coral Beach. We are already here in Coral Beach. Look, flat. It's flat here. Yeah. And over there, they are fishing over there. There is 2 persons fishing over there, and this is Coral Beach. There are plenty of big rocks here. It's because just plenty of big rocks. And now let me get closer so that I can show you the Coral Beach. The water here is really green, but and the white and the sun, it's so white. Oh my gosh, look at that, it's really white. But now since it's high tide, that's why the beach is not that really long anymore. The water is perfect. The temperature of the water is perfect. It's so loud. Tourists come here. Someone forming the turtle. So here it's a big space. There is big space here. Look. Now let's go here. Small beach, and here, there. At least there is no monkey here. So here there is special beach. See? Diba? It is so nice. So you can find this here in Malaysia. And look,